How can you tell if adoption is right for you? This can be one of the hardest questions to answer. Adoption is one of the most difficult and life-changing events you will ever face. This child is going to be a part of you for the rest of your life. If you just feel like you need something to take care of, consider a puppy. A child is a huge responsibility, and you will need to face all the good times and the bad times with no regrets. An obvious benefit of adoption is that not only do you gain a new member of your family, you also give a family to a child without one. This is a great thing to do for another human being. People choose to adopt for many reasons. Maybe the woman doesn't want to carry a baby for 9 months, maybe there is an infertility issue, or maybe you just want to reach out and help make the world a little bit better. Only you know the reason you want to adopt a child. Before even considering adoption, you need to look inside yourself. Do you have the patience to handle a child? Children are not easy to tolerate all the time. If you've ever seen that parent in the store with the child running around misbehaving, you have a tiny glimpse into parenthood. Children don't always do what you want or grow up to be who you want them to be. They will grow up to be themselves instead. Before adopting, make sure you have the parenting skills, finances, and above all, the time and love to give the child a wonderful environment where they can grow up and thrive in.